Dave, thanks for this trail. We got a tree down. I've been clearing a little, but we'll get this out of the way because it looks like you marked off. That's one badass section. Dave, you got everybody stuck. Yep. Cool climb. Well, we got to the top of Hell Hill climb. And we got some beautiful single track in here. Worth the price of admission. And a little more single track. I guess this is informational video for Dave. Dave, so the Dragon's Tooth, when we come in off of Beach Hill and follow that single track past the farms and all that, and then follow the single track all the way to the nasty downhill. Well, this is what we came up, and I was calling the Dragon's Tooth. Trails look pretty good though.
Real good.
Real good. Ready? You need a rest? Remember this? This is the top. Right coming up is that rocky section that we turned on, yeah. This is what we're making it up this slab here. We didn't go this way, we went up the slab side. Sucks so bad. I don't know what's worse, going up or coming down. I think going up. And right here, Dave, is where we did some trail repair and blocking up right here. Woo! So I wanted to film, I wanted to record the Teeth of the Dragon climb, but since we just came down it, I think we're not going back up. So I'm recording the single track that leads out of it, which is beautiful. Feisty little fucker. Nice, ain't it? Next weekend, we'll be out here running the BBB, the Berkshire Ball Buster, on most of these trails. I'll be sure to run the camera for some of that. Hi, Jeff.